And as we told you last week, Governor Whitmer announced a plan to get our state back to normal, tying that to vaccination rates. But some Michigan Republicans say using that metric only doesn't make sense. Several GOP leaders have questioned what will happen if Michigan's COVID-19 vaccination rate falls below targets. Republicans also have concerns over the lack of input from the legislature in making these important decisions. Adding access to vaccines and new variants could complicate this formula. I spoke with Republican State Senator Ruth Johnson about that.
It's kind of a nothing burger. Of course, restrictions will go down as more people get vaccinated. You don't need a fancy chart to tell you that. And I certainly don't think the governor should have any kind of a pass on the total lack of transparency of how she's managed the pandemic.
And we did reach out to the governor's office, and they wrote us this in a statement. The safe and effective COVID-19 vaccines are the best way for Michiganders to protect themselves and their families. As our nation's top public health experts have noted, we can take steps to get back to normal when 70% of our state's population is vaccinated, and 50% of Michiganders have already risen to that challenge. That's why it's important for leaders on both sides of the aisle to educate and encourage Michiganders to get the vaccine. We are confident Michiganders will make the choice to get vaccinated to protect themselves and their communities.